So since our initial launch earlier this year, which included launch partners Comcast for their TV Everywhere offering, as well as NBC Sports and M6 out of France, we've actually started implementing with a few other customers, which we're not quite ready to publicly announce. But what I can say is that we're seeing a lot of major operators and programmers aggressively working towards delivering simulcast across a wide breadth of IP-connected devices. It's definitely, the focus appears to be on Android and iOS right now. iOS is definitely seeing higher view-through rates or higher viewing numbers than Android at this time, but Roku and Xbox are definitely next on the horizon. Basically, it's the broadcasters and the cable companies and satellite providers, they're taking the same cable feed that's going out over the air, and they're making the same exact feed available over the internet onto internet-connected devices. So we provide video playback environments as well as content preparation technology so that the content can be protected, as well as ad markers and metadata can be injected into the stream as it is distributed out to the different devices. And our playback environments essentially normalize the stream so that Adobe Primetime customers only need to use one format, and that happens to be HLS across all the different devices that they're streaming to. We also provide ad insertion, ad opportunity management, as well as ad serving, campaign management, and analytics, as well as audience data management capabilities. Simulcast is essentially broadcast television, and broadcast television, as we know it today, is predominantly consumed over the air through cable and through satellite transmissions into set-top boxes. There is an opportunity now to diversify the manner in which this television is broadcast and delivered to the audience, and that is using internet-based protocols that are separate from the actual cable infrastructure or satellite infrastructure. And so cable companies, satellite companies, they're looking now at methods for harnessing this new set of technology. And this is really interesting because if you look at how technology is changing the ecosystem, it has allowed for new players, new companies to participate in the television market. If you look at Netflix subscriber base is in the tens of millions of subscribers, which is quite significant and larger than your average cable company. And if you look at Hulu's success and why the owners of Hulu probably decided to keep Hulu under their reign, there's huge value in these new delivery mechanisms. And so the cable companies and satellite companies and existing corporations are now beginning to explore what these technologies can allow them to do and how they can reach their audience in new and more creative ways.